Today we're making crispy Cajun salmon fish cakes with a bold remoulade that slaps. It's spicy, smoky, and juicy, and yes, it's easier than you think. Now the salmon I used had the skin on. No worries, here's how you deal with that. Lay the salmon skin side down on a cutting board and run a super sharp knife between the flesh and the skin, starting from the tail end. Keep the blade almost flat and pull the skin gently as you slice. Done, no drama. Let's chop that salmon into 1-inch chunks food. Then finally chop 2 ounces of smoked salmon for that deep, smoky richness and toss it into a food processor. Just pulse it, don't turn it into salmon mush. We want texture, not baby food. Now we build the flavor bomb. In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of mayo, 2 tablespoons of Panko breadcrumbs, 1 chopped green onion, fresh parsley, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a generous teaspoon and a half of Cajun seasoning. A little extra smoked paprika, yes, chef. Black pepper, obviously. Give it a mix. It should smell like Mardi Gras is about to happen. Toss in the fresh and smoked salmon, mix it gently but thoroughly, and divide it into 4 patties, about 1 inch thick with 2 C's. Then coat those bad boys in more panko. If you don't have panko, go get it. Trust me, it makes that golden crust you want to brag about. Heat some oil in a nonstick skillet until it's shimmering, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the fish cakes and let them sizzle for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Flip once, don't mess with them too much. You're building crust, not babysitting. While that magic is happening, let's whip up a spicy Cajun remoulade. It's just mayo, Dijon, hot sauce, lemon juice, chopped pickles, garlic, and a hit of Cajun seasoning. Stir it up and boom, flavor explosion incoming. Once your salmon cakes are crispy and cooked through, about 145 degrees Fahrenheit inside, pull them off and let them rest on a paper towel. Plate them up, spoon on that remoulade, and hit them with a lemon wedge. Mini soul snack. Not everything has to be perfect to be delicious. Sometimes the messiest meals are the most memorable, just like life. So if you're craving that southern heat with seafood flair, make these Cajun salmon fish cakes your new go-to. For the full written recipe, visit kelvinskitchen.com. And remember, life's too short for boring dinners.